Heater Rental Pro.
Bedbug heat treatments are safe and easy to use when special precautions and preparation guidelines are followed. Please take a moment to learn how to best prepare for your bedbug heat treatment. Do not use over-the-counter pesticide bombs, foggers, sprays, or dust in the space immediately before or after treatment. The majority of these products are highly repellent insecticides and will severely diminish the effectiveness of thermal heat treatment by driving bedbugs into hard-to-treat areas such as undersides of carpet pads and inside wall voids. Because bedbugs can lay their eggs anywhere, under no circumstances should anything be removed from the treatment area or structure prior to treatment unless the item has been thoroughly inspected and/or disinfected. To begin the heat process, vacuum and sweep all flooring. Pay special attention to the removal of any over-the-counter pesticide dusts applied previously, such as diatomaceous earth, as well as animal hair and fur. Pet hair is hazardous to the equipment and your indoor air quality once agitated by the heat system and is flammable. Pull all furnishings away from the wall at least 6 inches. Declutter the space as much as possible by permanently disposing of all trash, cat litter, and unwanted items before treatment. Unplug all electronics except for major appliances such as the refrigerator and freezer. Sleeper sofas must be completely opened up. Any sleep number or water mattress should be drained and deflated. High-powered fans are used during this process, so loose paper should be removed or weighed down. Pictures and posters may be blown down during the treatment process and should therefore be taken down and laid flat. Most window blinds are vinyl and have a very low heat tolerance. We recommend they be washed with hot soapy water before removing them from the treatment area. Open all drawers and unpack any overly stuffed areas to allow heat to reach all surfaces. Remember that airflow is the key to success. Large blankets and comforters can be draped over interior doors to limit any hiding places for bedbugs and improve the treatment effectiveness. Arrange items in closets loosely so the heat can circulate between them. Some items are extremely sensitive to high temperatures. These items can be removed once you are certain they are free of bedbugs, or they may be placed in a refrigerator during treatment. Do not use cardboard as a container for heat-sensitive items being left in the room. Bedbugs would use them as hiding places. Use plastic crates, bins, or grocery bags. Completely remove any highly flammable or combustible items such as lighters, hairsprays, fire extinguishers, fuels, alcohols, and solvents. Also remove any pets, fish, or plants. Family heirlooms and irreplaceable items should be inspected and a determination made as to whether they should remain in the treatment area. Bedbugs will often seek shelter within or under piles of clothing. Hang up clothing on hangers and spread them out before the heat treatment begins. Bedding and washable fabrics can be cleaned in a household washing machine on a high heat setting, followed by a high heat dryer cycle. After drying, immediately place the clothing in a heavy-duty garbage bag. Seal the bag by twisting and wrapping the opening with tape like a loaf of bread. Once sealed, the bag may remain in the structure during the treatment process. Another option is to take the bedding and other fabrics to a separate location, such as a commercial laundromat, to be washed on a high heat setting and high heat dry cycle. All such fabrics must go through this process before being reintroduced to the treatment area. As much as possible, seal each room being treated to limit escaping heat through openings such as the HVAC vents, lights, bathroom exhaust fans, bottoms of doors, and wall air conditioners. In cool weather, cover the window panels with blankets or equivalent to minimize loss of energy from cold windows. If you have a fire sprinkler system, we recommend the heads be drained and capped before the heat process begins. If this is not an option, we do have techniques to protect the heads during treatment and are more than happy to share these with you. After treatment, allow the structure to cool naturally to limit any possible temperature shock to the structure. You can expect the active heating process to take around 20 hours, after which the equipment should be turned off so that it can begin cooling down. After at least 4 hours of cooling, you may open windows and let fresh air circulate. Thanks for watching. We look forward to helping you make your home bedbug free.